Hello students, I am your Jahid sir and welcome to the Jahid sir's math class. Today we are going to discuss some questions from exercise 1.1 on Euclid's division algorithm. So second question, already we discussed first question, go and check in I button. Okay. For second question, use Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Now by using Euclid's division algorithm, by Euclid's division solution, by Euclid's division algorithm, we have already we learned what is the Euclid's division algorithm. A equal to BQ plus R. Here R value is greater than or equal to 0 and less than B. This one is the condition. Okay, now putting or substitute B is equal to 6. Why 6 here? These are looking like this only. Here in B place 6 is there, that's why substitute in B place 6. Then what we get? We get A is equal to 6q plus R. Now R value is here 0 less than or equal to R, less than, in B place 6 is there, that's why 6. Then what is R value? That is R is equal to 0 less than or equal to R means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Why? Because less than 6. Okay, now first case, if R is equal to first one 0, then A is equal to 6q plus R value 0, that's why substitute 0. Then what we get? 6q. Is it 6q? We can write 6q 2 into 3q. 3 2s 6, that's why 2 into 3q. And let here 3q is m, means 2m. Here are where m is equal to 2q. Then 2m is in even number form is 2m, odd number form 2m plus 1 or 2n plus 1. So this one is divisible by 2. What it means? 6q is divisible by 2. Let us check if R equal to 1, then A is equal to 6q plus R value 1 this time. Then again we can divide 6q into 2 into 3q plus 1 is equal to 2. This time also we can take 3q is equal to m plus 1, where m is equal to, sorry, here also 3q. What it means? 2m plus 1. This one is odd number, that's why 6q plus 1 is not divisible by 2. Okay. Now if r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 6q plus 2, that is equal to, in both values here even numbers are there, that's why take 2 common here. 2 3 is 6, that's why 3q plus 2 common gone, that's why 1 is there. Take this complete value m, 2m, where m is equal to 3q plus 1 this time. So 2m, again 2m form came, means here 2 into something means it is even number. So 2m we take here, so 6q plus 2 even number form, that's why divisible by 2. Next 3, 4, 5 we can continue like that only. If r value equal to 3, then a is equal to 6q plus 3. We can write this 6q, 2 into 3q plus this one 2 plus 1. Why? Because here we can take common from these 2 common. So take 2 common, then 3q plus 1, 2 gone, so plus 1, again plus 1 outside is there. Here also this one is also, take this one m, 2m plus 1, where here also m value is same like this, 3q plus 1. Again what it means, 2m plus 1, 2m plus 1 means odd number form, odd number is not divisible by 2, that's why 6q plus 3 is not divisible by 2. Take r equal to 4, then a is equal to 6q plus 4. Again both even numbers are there, so take 2 common in this 2, 3q plus 2. Is it? Here 2 common means 3, here 2 common means 2. Again take this bracket value is m. So here 2m, it is 2 into something, 2 into something, 2 into something means even number. That's why we take this something value, this bracket value m. Here where m is equal to 3q plus 2. Now this is in even form, that's why 6q plus 4 divisible by 2. If r equal to 5, then a is equal to 6q plus 5, that is equal to, what we can write here, we can write 4 plus 1, this one 6q plus 4 plus 1, from these 2 common, 2 into 3q plus 2 plus 1. Here this bracket value m, 2m plus 1, where same like this only, 3q plus 2. Here again odd number form, that's why 6q plus 5 not divisible by 2. Is it? Now what is the result here? Which are divisible by 2? Here First one divisible by 2, second one not divisible by 2, third one divisible by 2. When r equal to 2, here this one not divisible, this one is divisible. What it means? 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4. These are divisible by 2. That means these are the even numbers, and remaining numbers are odd numbers which are not divisible by 2. So, which are not divisible by 2? 6q plus 1, 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. These are not divisible by 2, means these are the odd numbers. That's why any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1. Any odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. These are the odd numbers, odd integers, these are the. Okay, is it understood? Yes, next question. Look at the question, third one. Third question. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer, square of any positive integer is of the form 3q plus 1. Okay, already we have here by Euclid's division lemma, we have A is equal to BQ plus R. Here R value is greater than 0 and less than B. Here 3 is there, that's why substituting or substitute B is equal to 3. We get, what we get here? A is equal to 3q plus R. A is equal to 3q plus R. Here 3, B value is 3, that's why this one R value is greater than or equal to 0, less than 3. What it means? That is R is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Let us check case 1, or R equal to 1. If R equal to, first one, sorry, 0, R equal to 0, then A is equal to 3q plus 0. Okay, that is equal to 3q. Now what he said, square of any positive integer. That's why we can square on both sides. Square, when we squaring on both sides, a square is equal to 3q whole square. That is equal to 3 3 is 9 q square. And we can write this 9 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3. 3q is equal to, take m, where m is equal to 3q. First one is in the form 3q. Next, if r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 3q plus 1. That is equal to, by this one, when you squaring on both sides, a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. 3q plus 1 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square here 3q. So 9q square. A square value 9q square, 3q into 3q plus 2ab, 2 into 3 into 1 plus 1 square. Means what we get here? A square is equal to 9q square plus 2 3s 6q plus 1. Now from these two we can take 3 common in these two. So take 3 common here. When you take 3 common, 3q square plus here also 3 gone, so 2q plus 1. Here take this bracket completely m, then it becomes 3m plus 1 form, where means here m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. Next, if r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2. That implies when you square on both sides, a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Again a plus b whole square means a square 3q whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a value 3q into b value 2 plus a square plus 2ab plus b square means 2 square. Then a square is equal to what we get finally? 9q square plus 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12q plus 2 2 ja 4. Here 4 is there, that's why in these two 3 is common, but here 3 is not common, that's why we can modify this one. 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Then we can take common from these 3 common. So a square is equal to, when you take 3 common here, what you get? 3 common means 3q square again. Here also 3 gone means 4q plus here 3 gone means 1 is there plus 1. Then complete this bracket, take m. It's your choice. Take another variable also, 3m plus 1, where here m is equal to this one 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Once look here, this one is 3q where 3m, other one is answer 3m plus 1, other one also 3m plus 1. Then the square of any positive integer, the square of any positive integer is of the form three m plus 1, or when you replace this m into q, he given q, that's why 3q or 3q plus 1. Is it understood? We can apply the division lemma like this. Let us check next question. Here question number 4. This is question number 4 from exercise 1.1. What is given in this question? Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of, this time cube taken, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, any positive integer any positive integer is of the form any positive integer is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. These are the any positive integer is in the form 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. 3 are there, so case 1. In case 1, take first one 3q. What he said here? Cube. That's why let us 3q cube. So 3q into 3q into 3q. Then 27q cube. Okay, here we can take 9 as common. 9 in a bracket, 9 3 is 27. So cube. Then we can write this bracket value m. So 9 m, where m is equal to 3q cube. Is it? Now let us check second case. Case 2. What is that one? 3q plus 1. Let us do cube. Here cube. A plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube formula? A plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here this one a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Let us apply that formula here. A cube, here 3q whole cube plus 3a means 3q into b means 1 plus 3a b square means 1 square. Last b cube plus 1 cube. What is this value here? 27q cube plus 3 3s and 9 q plus 3 3s and 9. This one is square. Yeah, square here. So 27. This one also 27 q square. Then 9q plus 1. In this, here we can take common 9 from these 3 terms. So 9 common. What remains here? 9 3 is 27. So 3q cube plus 3q square plus 9 gone, only q is there, plus 1. Take this complete bracket, let it be m, means 9m plus 1. Here m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Next, third case. Third case, 3q plus 2 whole cube. Again apply the same formula. A cube means 3q whole cube plus 3a square b, 3a square, 3q whole square into b value 2 plus 3ab square, 3ab square. So 3 a value 3q, b square means b value is 2, that's why 2 square plus b cube, b value 2, so 2 cube. Now what is the value here? 3q whole cube means 27q cube plus this one also 3 3s 9, 9 3s 27, 27 into 2, 54 q square plus here 3 3s 9, 9 into 2 square means 4, 9 into 4 36 cube plus here 2 cube means 8. From these three we can take 9 common. So 9, when you take 9 common here, again 3q cube plus 6 9 square plus 4q plus 8. Why? 6 into 9 54, 4 into 9 36. Take this bracket completely, let it be m. Then it is 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Therefore, the cube of any positive integer, or hence the cube of any positive integer is of the form. What is the form? First one 9m, 9m or 9m plus 1, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay? Okay. Is it understood? Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.